am back in my condo. This is the second ceiling fan here in the other bedroom. This is a white 52-inch craftmade. I don't know the model of this fan, but this one, see the light? This one, the pull chain, I like. The first one, the Harbor Brew Santa Ana one, the pull chain broke off to the light thing, so, and that one, yeah. And this one, so then this one has both pull chains, so there's the light. And this time, I'm going to turn the fan on. I am flashing low battery, so my camera might die. Right now, I'm actually doing this on my phone, which is my camera, so yeah, my phone has low battery, so my camera probably will die. So I gotta try to make this quick. And by the way, there's a little Honeywell floor fan I brought with me. Thought I'd just try that, and that's what was making that little noise. So yeah, I brought a little floor fan with me too to help me sleep tonight. See, very nice. So, all right, that's low. Here's medium. I'm always gonna do it with the light on here. I can't tell if there's an LED light or a regular light in there, but I can't tell. But see? Very nice. All right, that's me, and here's high. Does wobble and shakes a little bit. Well, that feels good. It does blow a little air. Yes, the reverse switch is on. It's down because it's pulling air down right now because it's not winter yet. It's very nice. Well, that feels good. Here's the top of it. All right. Now I'm gonna put it back on medium. All right, and there you go. This is the second fan, so still got more fans to show you anyway. So stay tuned for another one coming up in just a minute. Until then, that's it for part 2.